Things that we need are wool, thread, crochet needle and some beads. We have to take one end of the wool and wrap it around the fingers to make a cross. Here we have a cross and at the back we have 1 and 2. Pull 1 under 2, rotate the needle and take 1 and pull it through the loop. Remove your fingers and here you got a circle. Wrap the wool and pull it through the loop. Again, wrap the wool and pull it through the loop. This way you get a chain. Do it 3 to 4 times. Now wrap the wool and push it into the circle. Again pull the wool and come up. Now we have here 3 loops, 1, 2 and 3. Now wrap the wool and pull it into the loop 1 and 2. Again wrap the wool and pull it through the loop number 2 and 3. Now for the second time, wrap the wool, pull it through the circle, again pull it up, again. Now here we have 3 loops, 1, 2 and 3. Now wrap the wool around the needle and pull it through loop number 1 and 2. Again wrap the wool and pull it through loop number 2 and 3. Now we have to repeat the same process. Do the same until you get a semicircle like this. Now we will pull the extra small thread to tighten this up. We almost have a circle. Now we have to lock it. Push the needle to the second end and pull up wool by wrapping it around. Now we have 2 loops here, 1 and 2. Now pull the upper loop into the lower loop and loosen up the last loop to pass the other end. Here we have a wool ball, so we pass it through it loop and pull all the wool to make a knot. Here we have 2 options for eyes, star eyes or simple black eyes. Now sew it up. Let's add a smile. I have 2 emojis here. Make the wristband by just wrapping the wool 2-3 times and pull it up. Here we have just wrapped it and again wrap it and pull it through the loop. Here we have a knot. Again wrap it and pull it through the loop. Again wrap it and pull it through the loop. This way you will get a chain. Repeat the process. Pull the last loop and pass the other end through it to make a knot. Sew the emoji on the wristband. It's done. Happy Raksha Bandhan.